Welcome to the world of peonies. I am Steve from the Celtic Farm, and today we will explore this wonderful flower where elegance and beauty reign supreme. Today we'll explore the secrets of growing these enchanting blooms. Peonies belonging to the genus Paeonia are cherished for their lush blossoms and rich fragrance. Perennials bring a touch of royal beauty to any garden. For centuries, peonies hold a special place in history and culture. From ancient Asian gardens to modern Western landscapes, they've symbolized prosperity and romance. Planting peonies begins in autumn. Choose a sunny spot with well-drained soil. Plant the tubers shallowly, ensuring the buds are no more than 2 inches deep. Caring for peonies involves regular watering and annual fertilization. They prefer a balanced diet and thrive with consistent but not excessive moisture. From the elegant Sarah Bernhardt to the vibrant coral charm, peonies come in a palette of colors. Each variety adds its unique flair to your garden. After blooming, prune peonies to maintain shape. In winter, mulch around the base to protect against cold, ensuring a healthy return in spring. Not just garden stars, peonies make stunning cut flowers. Their lush blooms bring elegance to any bouquet, lasting well in vases. Peonies, with their timeless charm, are a gardener's delight. Embark on your peony journey and let these blooms transform your garden into a paradise.